Okay, so finally, this is the solutions guide. So after this, we'll definitely get right into chapter 3 and start outlining chapter 3. So the last video ended kind of abruptly as they all do. It was just going over 10 minutes, so I did not want to do that. But the total homework was 60 problems. Yeah. So I got just about to the end. I guess we see here because we're going to try and do this in a 10-minute video. But I have previously in preparation for the videos outlined chapter 3, 4, and 5. I've done all of the homework. So I did make a, kind of solutions manual for the homework. So we're just going to quick flip through my solutions manual. So it just goes in order. We can kind of see number 1, we are starting with chapter 3 here. And we learn what all this means, when we get there. This would be the next page. So you can kind of see the full page. I know that it doesn't always come through that clearly on YouTube. Uh, the pretty good clarity, but the clarity is not always that good. It's pictures that go from my phone to the computer to this and all of that. But we try and kind of take a close up here. So that ends on problem 6. Problem 6 is kind of a big one there. Yeah, so the pictures don't come through in order. Uh, problem 6 is what I meant there. Yeah, we'll learn later that this is staying above that AVC. There is a lot of concepts. It looks very complicated, but there are a few simplifications that you can memorize that make it much easier. Problem 8, the last one on this one is problem 12. Looking for that problem 13, maybe 14. Oh, because 13 was an entire page, huh? Yep. Okay, so 13 was a little bit of a doozy. I almost kind of lost that there. 13, so this is problem 13. We'll do that one. That'll be fun. Yep, problem 14, I think somewhere after, maybe starting with 16. Yeah, starting with problem 16, I think we're in chapter 4, but that's the solution to 14. So, just showing off the solutions guide because I took the time to make it, so I just wanted to kind of document it in order so that it's in the videos. We can refer to it, but each homework problem we're of course going to do individually. When we do the homework problems individually in the videos, that video series is going to be 10 times more important than this. But that's number 17 there. Problem 17. Do we have an 18 over here? I see 18 to 21. Number 19. Number 20. Number 21. Some of them are just definitions, which is why there's no solution. Or maybe we just solve them later. So I solved most of them. I solved all of them, but some of them just kind of note something on a page somewhere. And then to problem 24, I think. So we want to take a look at the whole page. Like I said previously, I know we don't know this now, but when we do an elasticity equation, they're way, 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 way easier derivatives. So that goes down to, it looks like number 26. and then on to 27. It's 60 total, so this is a good half of the solutions guide now. That's 27. Itty bitty little thing there looks like number 30. It's just an itty bitty little type there. Yep, that's number 31 there. 32. All of this is very obviously chapter 4, so 32 to 36, 37. Yeah, some of them are just little statements. Some of them I have memorized. I'll figure them out again later. If there's anything omitted, it's just because it's like a definition, and we'll figure that out later. And then somewhere along the way here, we get into chapter 5. In fact, yes, number chapter 5 may or may not start with 40, but this is definitely chapter 5. So we start to have these solutions that are about a page here. A lot of chapter 5, once we get in there, it's really not that bad. But this is number 40 here. Number 41 is quite the doozy there. They just look big because we have to do the supply and demand graph, but it's all just graphing a y equals mx plus b. So in the end, maybe some very easy stuff. That's 41. I guess this would be 42 here. I wasn't, I got mixed up there, but 42 and 43 are quite similar. So I apologize for the pause there. That was not called for there, but yeah, so that's 44 and 43. Looks like this goes through 47 here. And now we're on number 48. This is 48 to 50. 48 to 50 here. This is just getting boring, but that goes to 50. I see a 53. Where's a 51? Here's 51. So they're all just, algebra problems. No big deal, no big deal, I don't think. It's about time to wrap all this up here. That's 52. We had found 53. This is 53, 54, 55, and 56. So 57, 58. It goes all the way to 60. I might have got a little bit lazy in the end here. 59. I may